If you plan to study internationally or migrate abroad, PTE Academic is there to help. It's a computer-based English language proficiency exam which is fast, secure, and is powered by AI. And it reduces the human mistakes. It's acceptable by governments and universities worldwide, and here is a presentation on how to book your PTE exam. First, you need to go to PearsonPTE.com. There, click on check availability in the homepage banner or book a test in the top left corner of the site. Right after that, you can find this button, check test availability and book, which is under the PTE Academic heading, and then you would go to choose the date and time of your exam. Here you will be asked to create or sign in, if you have one, to your My PTE account. If you don't have any, you need to sign up for My PTE account by giving the personal information that they need. After that, you need to complete your profile. Don't forget to read Pearson ID policy, which covers what forms of ID are acceptable to bring with you on the test day. And it is very important because country to country it's different, and sometimes when you're a foreigner and you're choosing a country to go and take your test there, you need to have good information about it. Finally, you can review your booking details and submit your order. A summary of your appointment details will be displayed on My PTE dashboard. You will also receive a notification email. If there are any questions, you can write down in the comments for me. I will be answering you.